All right, so this is the DNA DK-54 upgrade kit for animated Optimus Prime Legacy. So obviously it's in a combined form. Let's take it apart. So the guns, there's a pair of them. You can fold the handles in. The fists do open, but there's there's a little hole there to hold any of his accessories. He can still hold his original axe, and he has his giant sledgehammer. Sledgehammer kind of clips in there. It's got two handles that come apart, and then they just peg into the holes here for transformation later. The mask, you can see the mask, it's just kind of clipped in there. This one you can sort of leave on there. It snaps on really tight to the face, so I'm not going to take this one off. You just start unplugging things. These fists plug into these holes here. The giant gun on his back comes out. Oh yeah, you can use the giant gun kind of like Galaxy Force Optimus Prime. Handle folds in, the barrel kind of tucks in, and this is your kind of ladder, I guess. The wings just plug in, and there's little hooks. Let's zoom in. There's little hooks right here. Gotta be careful. I'm not really sure why that's there. Because it's only plugged into here, and then these plug into there, so this is a little more secure. They tuck away, and this thing kind of folds closed. So this is part of the transformation for the trailer portion. The hammer, whoops, oh. I guess it doesn't matter, there's notches on the other side. What you want a hole on top. So these pegs, they don't peg at anything. I'll show you upside down. They kind of just fit into these corners of the box of the sledgehammer, and then there's these notches right here. They plug into the tabs of the hammer. So you want to make sure you line them up, and you close the hammer on it. Okay. This guy right here will plug into there. And then the whole thing kind of straddles those two barrels right there. The fists in the instructions say you have to yeah, you do that. I don't know why. You make the palm go up, I guess, to make the fist narrower. And then you see these two tabs, and then this tab here on both sides. They're going to tab into the little notches on the fists. So the hand kind of goes down, and you push down. Actually, I found this easier with the feet in place. So pull that off. There's a little catch right there which catches onto the back of this, and then the feet just unplug. That folds. These tuck in. And then these just close together and slide. It's a very small movement, but you can see they kind of go in and drop down. So this is going to tab into, these tabs go into these notches, and then these tabs go into the notches on the side of the trailer. You fold these down. Now it's a little bit easier, a little more structural strength, I guess, to push the fists into the trailer. You just push straight down. And they just tab into place. The cannons plug into the front. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can pull the sledgehammer apart, and then there's a little storage inside for like the headgear. But now, okay, I transformed Optimus Prime into his truck mode, and it's really simple. These pegs will peg into these holes right here. And there you go. You have the fire truck Optimus Prime. You can even lift, whoops. You can even lift the little ladder thing for putting out fires. It doesn't, there's no rotation. You can't spin this. It just goes up and down. And then these little things, you know, can pivot up and down. That's it. But it looks more complete to me like this. I do like this little detail here. Oh yeah, if you want to store the axe can plug into either side of, oh, maybe not. Haha, there's that thing there. So, yeah, it plugs in on this side. So if you're wondering why you can't leave his eye mask thing on, there's just no room to keep this on his face. It's too wide. Oh, maybe it will fit. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. It doesn't feel like it's really, feels really tight. Trying to get this thing closed up with the mask in there, but you can do it.